Hi Chem Peeps, this is the third and final video for the problem example I have for limiting in excess, and in this part of the problem we want to know the percent yield of the silver from our original problem, which I posted my work from the first video down in the left hand corner, and you can see that, let me change the colors here, you can see that right here we found out that we could form 63.5 grams of silver from our limiting in this problem. And so to find the percent yield, and I often make my students do this in the lab when they're doing an experiment, experimentally, this is what was determined. In other words, this is what my students measured at the end of the lab. So to find the percent yield, and here is the formula for finding percent yield. So I'm finding the percent yield of silver, and I want the actual amount, in other words, the experimental amount that was found in the lab. So I have 60 grams of silver that was measured experimentally over what could theoretically be the perfect answer, which is 63.5 grams of silver. And I'm going to multiply that by 100. So if I divide the numerator by the denominator, multiply by 100, I get 94.5% yield of silver. And so this is how you find percent yield in an experiment, using both your experimental answer and your theoretical answer. I hope this helps. You can find more chemistry on Chem Chats at YouTube and TikTok.